Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making a chicken and rice casserole. We've got our oven preheated to 375 degrees and we have our casserole dish sprayed with a little nonstick cooking spray. So, we've got some broccoli, we have some uncooked rice, some chicken cubed, some fresh herbs, a little bit of mayo and some cheese and garlic powder, a little bit of milk, salt, pepper, and that's as simple as it gets. So, the first thing that I'm going to do is begin by adding my rice in the bottom. All right, so now we're going to add our broccoli florets. Okay, our broccoli is in place. We have our chicken. All right, now with my chicken free hand, I'm going to season. Got some garlic powder. And some salt. And some fresh cracked black pepper, which we'll season more at the end. We have a little bit of mayo. I'm going to put a little bit of our cheese in now. We're going to stir all this up in just a second. More of our cheese. And we've got about 2 cups of fat-free milk. All right. What we want to do is bring everything together. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more of our cheese. The rest is going to go on the top at the end. We have some fresh thyme. Sure everything is incorporated. Our oven is preheated to 375 degrees. Okay, and we're going to pop this in the oven until all of your liquid is absorbed, which should take roughly 30 minutes, and then we'll give it a check, and we may need a little bit more time, or it may be done at that time. So we're going to pop our lid on. Place this in the 375 degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes, probably tops. We'll do it for this. So we'll come back and check it out in just a little bit. All right, we're ready to pull our casserole out of the oven. And the best judge for this is not so much time as it is when you've seen all of the liquid soak up into your rice, which is what we've got here. Our chicken is cooked through. Our broccoli is nice and roasted. All right, so we're going to finish this by sprinkling the rest of the cheese. All right, so we're going to plate this up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.